Hey, this is 172 28th Street in San Francisco. Very unique floor plan apartment. Let's check it out. Okay, hardwood floors, full kitchen with a lot of counter space and a dishwasher. You can use this as the living room here. You got double pane screen windows. Here's another area of space. It could be I don't know, like a bedroom or a living room. But then you have this little space here as well. So technically, I mean, is it a studio? Is it a one bedroom? So whatever your imagination decides it is. Another space here. Leads out to a small shared deck. Looks like some neighbors live right over here. And a well-maintained yard. You got some shelves in the closet, which is good. I don't know if you would put a bed here because of the heater being over here and the closet there. I don't think you'd put a bed here either. It's just not big enough. Looks like this would be the main room where I think you'd put a bed. That's my feeling. You'd probably put a bed here. His and hers sink. Got that heating red light right there. I love those. Massage shower head. Bath shower combo. Good mirror. Please like and subscribe for more apartment tours. Kind of a long unit, right? The whole side of the building. Yeah, I like this unit a lot. You can definitely entertain people in the front and have your sleeping quarters in the back. One way to get into the bathroom here. And this room right here available.